Hi there everyone, welcome to Shisha Creative. Today we are going to talk about how to bring positivity into your home. Positive energy is not only needed for ourselves or from within ourselves, but to bring out the light from within, we need to enhance our home as well. How does your home feel? Does it bring relaxation and peace, especially after a long day of work? Did you know that your space at home can drastically affect your mood? But it does not have to. Here are 5 simple ways of inviting positivity in your house. Focus on natural light. For such a simple tip, this one really packs a punch. Natural sunlight stimulates the production of vitamin D. It also makes people feel happier almost instantly. To capitalize upon the positive powers of sunlight, open blinds and draw back curtains to let natural light into the room. Cleaning glasses, windows, and removing obstructions that block light can also help make the room feel brighter and more positive. Declutter. Clutter causes stress, and nothing squashes positive energy quite like stress. In addition to being unpleasant to live with, clutter can often be annoying at home. Decluttering an area helps the space feel calmer and more open, and also serves as a good purpose of getting rid of things that are no longer needed. Even a simple step like decluttering a single drawer in the kitchen or bedroom can have a profound effect on the positivity of a room or space. Make sure that commonly used areas such as kitchen tables, nightstands, coffee tables, and kitchen counters stay clean and clear of clutter, and replace the clutter with a jar of flowers or treasured family photos. Add house plants. Incorporating plants into a household offers dozens of benefits. In addition to improving air quality, beautifying a space, and adding personality to an area, living houseplants and fresh cut flowers have also been shown to improve the emotions and mental states of people. Opt for easy care plants like succulents or ferns and arrange them around the house in sunny windows and high traffic areas. To incorporate even more beauty, opt for plants that flower like lilies or orchids. Flowering plants can make a space feel happier and more positive. Open windows. Most people know that spending time outdoors offers benefits like reduced anxiety and lower blood pressure rates, but it is often difficult for professionals to spend a great deal of time in nature. Fortunately, it's easy to do the next best thing as often as possible. Throw windows open to let some fresh air into the home and office, in addition to reviving a musty room by allowing fresh, clean air to enter the space. Opening windows also allows people to hear outdoor sounds such as bird song, rainstorms, distant thunder, and kids laughing down the street. Although it's not quite the same as actually being outdoors, opening windows can have a huge impact on the positivity of a given space. Aromatherapy. The smell of scents and perfumes are powerful to calm one's senses, and multiple studies have proven that aromatherapy can actually contribute to making people feel happier. To instantly invite positive energy into a space, pick an upbeat essential oil like lavender, rosemary, or tangerine and place a few drops into a diffuser. Essential oils are non toxic, customizable, and safe, and they can help make a room smell fresh, bright, and happy for hours, which greatly relaxes your mind. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the videos. Keep watching for more. Bye bye.